In the last video, I showed you how to use Kaizena's feedback features, including voice comments, text comments, lessons, and skills. In this video, I'll show you how to create your own groups and invite your students. To create a group, go to the menu on the top left and then click Groups. Now, typically you would create a group for each of the classes that you teach, but we're just going to create a single group for this demo. So click Create New Group and choose a subject for this group. This is going to be for English and grade 10, but here I can edit the name to match my naming convention at my school. For example, English 10A. And then click Create Group. Okay, that's it. Now you have a brand new group. Now, there are two ways that you can invite students to this group. You can either print or email these PDF instructions, which walk your students step by step how to join your group, or you can share this code with your students directly. When students sign up for Kaizena, they will be prompted to enter this code to join your group, which is what I'll demonstrate right now. So I'm going to go ahead, right-click, and copy this code. And to show you how this works from the student's perspective, I've set up another account that we're going to switch to, which is Corey Matthews, our student. So from here, I'm going to go to kaizena.com just like you did, and click Sign In with Google just like you did. And this time, however, I'm going to indicate that I'm a student and confirm that my name is correct, and then click Next. This is where I enter the group code, and so I'm going to right-click and paste. This will join me to the English 10A group that we just created with George Feeney. And we can see that we automatically have a conversation on the left-hand side with George Feeney. And the first thing that I'm going to want to do as a student is send Mr. Feeney an essay that I wrote earlier this week. So I'm going to click this Add File button down here, and then open this essay, Super Secret Summer Spy. Okay, once it's loaded, if we go back to George Feeney's account, we'll see that we have a new and unread conversation with Corey Matthews on the left-hand side. And in it, we can see that Corey Matthews has sent me a file, Super Secret Summer Spy. Okay, so let's make some comments on Corey's work. Corey, this is an excellent hook. It's short, catchy, and to the point. Great job. Okay, and let's do a paragraph transition here. And I'll give his conclusion a 5 out of 5, or 4 out of 4. Okay, so now that we've made some comments, let's see what this looks like for Corey. So as you can see, all your feedback is already here. With Kaizena, you don't need to send feedback to students. It appears immediately. Students will get a notification in the top left-hand corner when they have unread feedback, and get an email notification within an hour if they don't happen to be online at that moment. Students can also reply to your feedback and keep the feedback loop going. So, if I'm Corey and I say, "Thanks, Mr. Feeney," this shows up immediately for you, and the background changes to blue to indicate it's new. Okay, everyone, that's what you need to know to get started with Kaizena. If you have any questions or feedback for us, you can click this question mark button in the bottom right. And we're always improving, and we couldn't do it without all of your feedback. So thank you very much for sending us your questions and thoughts and ideas. So until next time, this has been the Getting Started with Kaizena video series. Please, again, feel free to reach out to us anytime. Goodbye.